Now the base paint yellow was also completely dry, so I found the center, drew 3 circles and drew a very simple design. Now what I'm going to do next is to place the glue, prepare the clay and place the clay next. I'm sure all of you can see this strip of clay that I have here, and I'm going to place the clay first in the outermost circle that I drew in this board. So along the outermost circle line, I am putting Fevicol now. So when you place Fevicol, slow down a little and make sure you're doing it as perfectly as possible. Now I'll show you how to place the clay on the Fevicol here. So here is the clay strip. Let me start placing. You need to place exactly on the Fevicol. So as soon as you place the clay, you can adjust the shape. This adjusting is required only to ensure that the shape of the clay is as precisely done as possible. So whenever you have to place an extra piece of clay to finish the shape, you can always dip the tip of the tool in water and then adjust the clay so that it doesn't look like you have placed a separate piece. And all these need to be done quickly before the clay is dry. So let me place clay in the other part that I drew here. So now that the clay is fully dry, I'm going to paint the clay with white. Here is a white acrylic color. I've painted the clay in white. I'll place the mirrors now. In the meanwhile, this white paint will get dried up. Then I'll paint again in the same yellow as the background color. Let me place the Fevicol now and then place the mirrors later. Now I'll place some circular mirrors. I'll place Fevicol first. I'll place a circular mirror exactly in the center. Now I'll place circular mirrors in all the places I have kept Fevicol. Now I'll place small stones in this circle. Let me place Fevicol first. Smaller the stones or mirrors, it's going to take a long time for you to place it exactly. So take your time and do place it correctly. I'm sure after placing the stones, this circle looks much better. Now I'll place Fevicol for placing 4 square shaped mirrors here. After placing a mirror on Fevicol, you just have to give a gentle press. Now I'll keep 4 dots of Fevicol around the square. Now I'll place eye-shaped mirrors. Now I'll place some Fevicol here so that I can place diamond shaped mirrors. Now I'll paint again in chrome yellow. Now I'll decorate this Lippan artwork with some white dots.